Hello everybody, we've got a special event, financial report cards with your boy. It's Compound Interest Stock Guy, giving you the great information on these companies' financials, giving you the down low. Anyways, let's get into this. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, hit the thumbs up, boom, 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 boom. Let's get it to 25 likes. This is some solid information. Share it with your friends and family. If you're a HEXO investor, you're a cannabis investor, you gotta send it out to the universe so more people can know what's up. Leave a comment down below. Share the friends with friends and family. And if you want to join my Discord group, I'll leave the link in the description. Also, if you want to join me on Twitter, I'll leave the link in the description. And Instagram as well. I want to get 100 followers on Instagram. I got about 15, so let's go. So yeah, I want to disclose I'm not a financial advisor. This is just for entertainment information purposes. Do not buy or sell based on anything I talked about. Buy or sell after research, due diligence, and you like the investments you're pursuing. Okay, so, yep, the dreaded K. Whenever I'm driving down the road, it gives me a K. It's nothing. It's just this speed sign that's saying, oh, you're going 65 kilometers an hour. Yeah, I'm kind of crazy. I drive with the radar detector so I don't get pulled over by cops because I'm an undercover G and I don't want people to see what I'm doing. So, got to keep myself stealth. Anyways, so HEXO did 22 million, which is pretty good. I'm pretty impressed with 22 million because they've been in the teens for quite a while. I think they did about 3 quarters in the teens. It was like 13, 14, 17. They did 17, I believe, last quarter. I'm pretty sure I did a report card series. I got a whole scope. I got about 20, 30 videos on financial report cards. So if you want the down low on financials, you got to check out my videos. It's some great information. And I think I have a playlist for it. Yeah, so if you want to find the playlist. But yeah, so 22 million. So what did they do for EBITDA? They did minus 4 point something million. So not terrible for EBITDA, right? That's pretty much the name of the game. Analysts want to see positive EBITDA. They're not so concerned with, driving in net income, but they want to see some positive EBITDA. That's what, Aurora and Tilray and a lot of the big companies, they're talking about for 2021 or closer to 2021 to be able to do positive EBITDA. So that's what they're working on. Again, it's kind of a finicky number, right? Because it's EBITDA, earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and assets. So you can do the depreciation thing and kind of fudge the numbers, right? So I just want to make that clear. But it's something that analysts are interested in. And if you want to check out the best companies in this space, look at Trulieve. They're doing like 40 million or 50 million in EBITDA a quarter. So, on an annual run rate, that's 200 million in EBITDA. So that's fantastic. Now, they also did 18 million in losses, HEXO did. So, HEXO's got a very big place in Quebec, which is one of the biggest provinces in Canada, obviously. It's about 25% of the population, maybe 20. Ontario is about 40%. So if you got Ontario and Quebec locked down in Canada, you're doing pretty good for the Canadian market. Of course, there's other markets, is BC and Alberta, that, I think HEXO's doing pretty good in probably. I mean, they're definitely not a big seller, but with the original stash, and they're also selling hash, and they also have a new beverage drink where they just it's just like an adder. So you buy like a bottle like a CBD or THC oil, and they have like different 1-to-1 ratios or just like all THC, and it's like indica or like more like vibing and stuff like that. So I haven't tried them, but they're like 300 milligrams for this bottle. So you could put like 4 milligrams and put it in your water, put it in your soda water, put it in your whatever, and coffee, whatever, and it's odorless. It doesn't taste like anything. Green Organic Dutchman has a little thing. It's just one for 10 milligrams, and they sell those, but it's in the bottle, so I mean you can just use it more, and it's a better cost per milligram of THC or CBD than the Green Organic Dutchman. So they did minus 18 million in net losses. So I didn't look at the numbers as far as their cash position, and it could be kind of a messy thing because they did raise money. 55 million. The last raise they did somewhere like $1, I believe, and so they've been raising a lot of money. Now in the quarter, they also announced that Coors is one of the biggest alcohol companies in the world. They're definitely not on the stage as like Anheuser-Busch, but they're definitely big, and they're big in Canada, and that's their partner, and they're working on CBDs for Colorado, for CBD beverages in Colorado. So that's what they started in the quarter, and that makes Coors and HEXO make it bigger, more global. The next stage would be going to Europe and all that. So but I would really love to see HEXO get Coors take a big position into HEXO, maybe like a 10% at a $100 million valuation maybe, and then see how it goes, like something that moves it in the right direction where they're, but who knows? I mean, I'd like to see them get better than that, obviously. They're going to be doing topicals, they're going to do all that. So, and not to mention Ontario is going to be bigger. Ontario's got 450 applications, BC's got another like 50, and there's like 100 stores. So there's more stores. There's close to 1,000 stores in Canada. So that is what's up. So what do I give them for financials? I'm happy with their revenue growth. I'm happy that they're close to EBITDA positive, and but the losses are, with their tight cash, I'm not so happy. So I'm gonna give them a C. I mean, there's definitely things that you could say, oh, they're a C plus because they're closer to EBITDA positive, and their revenue growth, but their cash position is always a concern. So I would really like to see them lower their expenses a lot more and move in the direction of making cash flow. But when they're going to generate more revenues, they're probably working towards doing 30 million in 1 or 2 quarters. Just depends on more sales in Ontario with more stores across Canada, more people consuming the OG stash and other flour and different products, and more black market people coming over to the legal regime. So that is your update, pretty much compound interest, breaking it down for my viewers and subscribers. And that is pretty much what's up. C, there's a case for a C plus. I own HEXO warrants, and anyways, keep compounding your info, listen to my lingo, and shaka peace. I'm out.